This video will provide multiple stretches and exercises that can be performed at home to stretch and strengthen your calf muscles. The two main muscles that make up the calf are the gastroc and the soleus. The stretches and exercises that are shown with the targeted leg straight are going to target the gastroc muscle. The stretches and exercises that are shown with the leg slightly bent are going to target the soleus muscle. Put both hands on the wall and stagger your feet. While keeping the back foot straight, try and push your heel into the ground to feel the stretch. Lean in towards the wall while keeping your hips straight if the stretch is not strong enough. Put both hands on the wall and stagger your feet. Both knees are going to have a slight bend in order to stretch out the soleus. Try and push your heels back into the ground. Lean in towards the wall while keeping your hips straight if the stretch is not strong enough. Hold for 30 seconds and then repeat to the other side. Loop the strap around the balls of your foot. While maintaining good posture, use your lats to pull back on the strap and create a strong stretch in your calf. Using the Pro Stretch Calf Stretcher, place one foot on the top, making sure that your heel is as far back as it can go. You will feel a deeper stretch if you're able to balance on the foot on the Pro Stretch. Make sure to maintain balance while holding onto a wall nearby. The more you let your heel drop back towards the ground, the deeper stretch you will feel in the gastroc. The same instructions are used from the previous video. Instead of keeping the knees straight, you want to maintain a slight bend in the knee. Like mentioned before, this targets the soleus muscle in the calf. Stand on the balls of your feet on the edge of a stair or step. While keeping the legs straight, let your heels drop down below the stair. You will feel a deep stretch along the calf muscle. You are also able to do this stretch standing on one leg. This stretch gets more intense standing on one leg. Stand on the balls of your feet on the edge of a stair or step. While slightly bending your knees, let your heels drop below the stair. This mainly targets the soleus muscle, which is underneath the gastroc. You are also able to do this stretch standing on one leg. This stretch will be more intense standing on one leg. The following exercises are strengthening exercises for the calves. These exercises engage the muscles and allow them to activate to prepare you for exercise. These exercises can be performed before doing a workout. Stand on the balls of your feet on the edge of a stair or step. Slowly bring your heels up so they're higher than the stairs. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly bring your heels down so they drop lower than the stairs. Make sure to try and go as deep as your muscles allow you. Hold at the bottom for a few seconds, then repeat. Calf raises can also be performed on one leg and is considered a progression from the previous exercise. If you have not done this exercise before, we recommend that you start performing them using both legs. Seated calf raises are performed to target the soleus muscle. This exercise is not as intense as the straight leg calf raises. Sit on the edge of a stair or chair. Make sure your knees are at 90 degrees. Slowly bring your heels up so you are resting on the balls of your feet. Hold here for a few seconds, then bring your heels back to the starting position. These next 4 exercises are performed using a resistance band. This allows the muscles to work against the resistance band rather than the individual's body weight. Place the resistance band around the balls of your foot and straighten your leg out. Hold the resistance band tight in your hand and slowly point your toes away from your body. This movement is called plantar flexion. Hold this movement for 2 seconds, then release. Do this exercise for 10 reps, rest, and then repeat 2 more times. Place the resistance band around the balls of your right foot. Put the resistance band around the outside of your left foot and straighten out your legs. While holding the resistance band, your right foot is going to pull against the resistance band away from your left foot. This movement is called ankle eversion. Hold that position for 2 seconds and then return to the starting position. Do 10 reps, rest, and then repeat 2 more times. Place the resistance band around the ball of your left foot. Cross your right leg over your left and place the resistance band around the outside of your right foot. Make sure to keep your left leg straight. Hold the resistance band in your hand. Your left foot is going to pull against the resistance band away from the right foot. This is called ankle inversion. Do 10 reps, rest, and then repeat 2 more times. Place the resistance band on the top of your foot. Have someone hold the resistance band directly in front of you. Pull your toes up towards your shin against the resistance band and hold for 1 second, then relax. This is called dorsiflexion. Do 10 reps, rest, and then repeat 2 more times. We hope that you found this video helpful in terms of stretches for your calf muscles and exercises to help strengthen your calf muscles. Remember that if you perform any of the stretches or the exercises on one side, repeat and do the same thing for the same amount of time on the other side.